Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbird143. You are watching Gmail tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to apply the labels for the specific incoming emails automatically using filters in our Gmail account. In Gmail, we can automatically set variety of actions like blocking the emails, store it, archive it, applying a label, forward to different addresses, delete the emails, and so on. In my previous tutorial using the filtering criteria, I have shown how to delete the emails automatically from a specific sender. Log into the Gmail account. Suppose I want to create a label for emails coming from Reliance using the filter criteria. To apply the labels for the incoming emails, for that click on gear icon showing on top of the inbox messages. From the drop down menu, please select settings. In the next window, choose filters and blocked addresses. Here it will show all the filters created previously. To create a new one, click on create a new filter. As we all know, we can create filters based on specific email addresses, subject line, keywords it contains, size of the email including attachment, and so on. For this video, I want to create a filter based on the words it contains in that email. I am typing only Reliance and click on create filter. In the next filtering screen window, check the apply the label box and click on the arrow next to it. We can select the already existing labels or create a new label. Enter a name for your new label. If we want, we can make this label appear nested under an existing label. Click on create and finally click on create filter. The filter was created and we can find a new label Reliance in the left pane under inbox labels. Click on it. Now it is empty. There are no conversations with this label. The mails coming now onwards from the sender with the keywords showing on filter criteria, automatically they will be placed in this label. In my Gmail inbox, I have few emails from Reliance. Let's bring all these emails under this label. Again, click on gear icon, select settings, come to filters and blocked addresses. Click on edit next to the required filtering criteria. Click on continue. In the bottom, we have the option also apply filter to matching conversations. Check in the box. By default, emails, even after adding into a label, still they will appear in our inbox. Instead of this, to place the emails only in the label, check the box, skip the inbox. And in Gmail, normally all the unread messages will be in bold text. So if you don't want the label to show the unread messages in bold, we can check mark as read. But with this, it is difficult to tell when we have received the new messages. After applying all the changes, click on update filter. Your filter has been updated. Now let's check in the label. And we can see number of the messages which contain Reliance in them. Similarly, let's compose the email including the keyword Reliance. Now this mail has to be displayed under the label Reliance. Let's check it. And here we got the email in Reliance label and not showing in inbox. Like this, we can create the labels for the specific incoming emails automatically using filters in our Gmail account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click the like button and share this video with your friends. ITbird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.